and dining area. You can check out the interior work as well. The open kitchen concept makes it more spacious. And the beautiful cozy space. You can check out the bed space. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jeetal and today we are here at Brigade Lakecrest, which is located in KR Bangalore, a project by Brigade Group. And today we are here to check out their 3 BHK model flat. But before moving to sample flat, let me show you the surrounding of the project. So this is the marketing office where we'll be getting all the information and detail of the project. And about the land parcel is here itself, where the marketing office is built on. Now let me tell you what exactly Housey is. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you don't need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's start with the project overview with the help of this miniature. So this project is going to be constructed in total 6.3 acres of land parcel with total 4 towers with 2 basement ground plus 21 floors having exclusive 1 BHK, 2 BHK and 3 BHK premium residencies. Now coming to the amenities part, this project will be having ultra luxurious amenities like you can check out, here's the football ground, open gymnasium, garden area, kids play area, half basketball court, multi-purpose court, swimming pool and many more. Now let's discuss the location part. So this project is located on Old Madras Road in KR Battarahalli, Bangalore. So let me show you that this is the Old Madras Road and this road on my right hand side will take you towards Hoskote and on my left hand side will take you towards Indira Nagar. Now coming to further connectivity of the project, Garden City University is 1 kilometer away from the project. Satya Sai Multi-Specialist Hospital is 2 kilometers away from the project, with KR Metro Station is 5 kilometers away and Phoenix Mall is 7 kilometers away from the location of the project. Now this is your 1902 square feet of 3 BHK model flat. Let's have a look at this. So this is the entrance with the foyer area for your privacy, and just imagine entering into this cozy beautiful space after your tiring day. Living and dining area, you can check out the interior work as well. This is the dining area, comes with attached balcony with vitrified tiles, 3-side covered balcony with iron railing. Now here comes the open kitchen concept of kitchen area. The open kitchen concept makes it more spacious. Here you can even check out the interior work done, that is the platform, the cabinets, and this is the utility area. Here is a window for ventilation and lighting purpose in your kitchen and utility area. Now let's move further towards your bedroom area, walking through your living area. So this is your living area with the beautiful work done. And now let's move further. This is the passage area and here is your bedroom number 1, that is your kids bedroom. Again you can check out the beautiful work done for your kids. Here is a bed space, the window provided, and here comes the study table, the wardrobe. Isn't it beautiful, guys? Now let's move further towards your next bedroom, but before that let me show you the common washroom with the easy access to your kids' bedroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. Here the bathing area is divided by the tile roof. Now about the bedroom number 2. So let me show you the bedroom number 2. Once you enter this bedroom, you can call it as a semi-master bedroom because they have provided the balcony with the attached washroom itself. So here comes the balcony, which is 3-side open balcony. The 3-side open view balcony with iron railing and anti-skid tiles, that is the wooden finishing flooring. The bed space, the wardrobe space, and the attached washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. Now before moving to master bedroom, let me tell you what all features are Housey here with. So Housey is here with the actual location tool with its sample flat videos with the pros and cons of the project, payment scheme, EMI schedule and 360-degree location tool. All these wonderful features under Housey.com. So what are you waiting for? Schedule your free site visit by registering on Housey.com. Now let's move towards your master bedroom. So master bedroom is just besides your semi-master bedroom. The uniqueness starts from the flooring, the wooden finishing anti-skid flooring. And the beautiful cozy space. You can check out the bed space and the wardrobe space, the huge wardrobe space. Here even they have added up a chair and a table. And this comes the beautiful balcony. Again 3-side open view with iron railing and anti-skid flooring. Now the attached washroom, which is over this side. So even you can add up a beautiful dressing table, or else you can use this place in a multi-purpose way. Now this comes the attached washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. So this was all about your 3 BHK, and as you all know that we are here at Brigade Group's project. Have you checked another project with this builder? If yes, then do let me know in the comment section below. And lastly, do not forget to give a thumbs up and do follow subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.